If you have ever wanted to learn a bar song, Tipsy by Shaboozy, then this is the piano tutorial for you. And if you ever wanted to learn piano chords, then you have come to the right channel. Okay, here's today's tutorial. Well, that's it for the chord arrangement of this song. In addition, I hope you like the easy read music notes. All of the piano tutorials and chord exercises on this channel use the easy read sheet music. If you never want to struggle with standard sheet music ever again, then definitely subscribe today for more exclusive chord exercises and piano tutorials using easy read sheet music. Well, that's it for today's lesson. I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching.